Hello, friends. I'm Kuhu, and I welcome you on behalf of DealMirror. In today's webinar, I have Mr. Anupam from DealMirror as my co-host and Mr. Azaduzaman from DynoShop team. Today, we will discuss WooCommerce. So, I welcome you all to this amazing and super thrilling session. WooCommerce makes creating and managing online store in a simple way. Guys, we all understand the importance of WooCommerce themes, isn't it? We want a beginner-friendly WooCommerce theme that is created for all persons who want to create their web stores by themselves. I would be astounding if all the complex part of the online store is already done for you. You won't have to worry about the design part of the coding part as well because everything is done for you. It is taken care for. But we find it difficult to get the choice of our meeting the above requirements, the choice of WooCommerce theme tool. Considering all this, we have gathered in this session to discuss where should we go to get WooCommerce theme of our choice for e-commerce. So, Asaduzaman, how do you understand the above problem? And what are the responsible reasons for that?
So, last couple of years, almost it should be the 5 to 6 years, we are working on WordPress industry and especially using the WooCommerce. So our clients, we have a lot of clients that who wants a small business website, that means a small e-commerce website in a short time. And we have also find some freelancers who want to build the e-commerce website for their clients. So we thought that building an e-commerce website is pretty long time to make. So what if we build a solution that will make the e-commerce website building is a very quickly and also a full functional website within a very short time. So in that point we thought that if we build a solution especially for us, then it could be solve our problem first. So then we have built a solution for us in internal use, especially for official purpose. Then we have released one of our product, local press, in a year ago in mid 2021. And we find that yes, local press was very popular, and we thought that yes, already we have built a e-commerce solution for especially for WooCommerce user, and why not we actually releasing this product. And that's the point that we are actually thought that if we release the product, it will also solve the problem that we have faced before, and also the users also be very helpful that the product also can solve their problems. So in that point we actually released a WooCommerce theme especially for WooCommerce user and especially for small business and freelancers.
Yeah,
Perfect. Sounds good. Sounds good. Okay. So, Asadu Zaman, thank you, Kuhu, for this warm introduction. Thank you, Asadu Zaman, for being with us. Asadu Zaman, hope you are doing fine. And do you know what I noticed is one of the very good parts of DynoShop is that DynoShop doesn't limit its users like any other WooCommerce theme.
Yeah.
So you will be able to create anything you want to do with DynoShop theme. So with DynoShop theme, the doors to all the possibilities, I guess, are open for you, isn't it? So
Yeah.
the best part of DynoShop lifetime deal is it's like a complete solution and it saves both your precious time and the money. And I would really love to tell our viewers at this point of time that WooCommerce is an e-commerce plugin for WordPress. It makes creating and managing an online store simple. So, with reasonable levels of flexibility and several vital features such as inventory and tax management, secure payments, and shipping integration. So, there are 20 plus demos, guys, available with DynaShop. Do you know? Which provides you the choice to select the perfect layout for your website. With DynaShop, you will be able to create your own single post, header footer, category page, single product page, tag page with various customization options by yourself. So DynoShop theme is created with professional designers and developers to help you manage and generate more sales. Every section, every page of DynoShop is created in a way that it helps your clients to find their desired products easily. So, Asada Saman, could you please help us with a quick presentation so that our viewers could be aware of using its features in an easy way? Is it possible?
Yeah, definitely. I have already made this my local server. So I'm going to sharing my screen now. Just
Amazing, amazing.
uh, just a minute. Logins. Okay. Uh, mm, can you show my screen?
Yes, it is visible.
Okay. Just a minute. Okay. Can you show the do you guys view the WordPress admin panel? Is it visible?
Yes, yes, it's
No.
Okay.
yes,
Maybe I'm sharing a wrong screen. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, we are able to see the chat section, not that.
Okay. Share the screen. Yeah. Hopefully it's correct now.
Yup. Yes.
So this is a blank WordPress installation that I have installed a couple of hours ago, and my plan is to build a outdoor gear related website or the e-commerce website using DynoShop. So first of all, let's see that how much demos and what the demos available for DynoShop. So if we go to our ThemeSpell website, we will find the available demos already ready-made for our already made using the DynoShop. And here is our admin panel is completely blank, and already the previous plugin also have some. I am already deleting this one to make it fully blank. No plugin will be available now. Okay, completely blank. If we go to the site, the demo site, it's completely blank. Okay, so if we go to the DynoShop sales page, we will find all of the demos already available in here, like the camera shop, furniture shop, beard care shop, and so much demos is available in here. So I'm just want to make a demo website, like it could be the outdoor gear shop or even the organic shop. Okay, so I'm choosing the outdoor gear shop now. If we go to the demo, here is the main demo of the outdoor gear. So our demo will be made similar like this. So our website will be similar like this. Let's go to the our WordPress admin. So we need to first to install the DynoShop theme in our backend. So already the DynoShop theme has installed it, but I'm deleted it. I'm want deleting it. I am just going to install it again for a quick understand. Okay, so if we go to the themes and add new, we can upload the DynoShop theme from here, and it has already in my desktop. I have already downloaded. So after clicking on install now, it will just upload the theme to the server and install and activated it. So we need to wait a couple of minutes to install. Okay, it has installed it, and we just make to click it activate now. Okay, so after activating, it will show us and notification that we need to install the following plugins first. So we don't need to install it manually, just we need to click on the begin installing plugins and select all the plugins. Now select install and click on apply. So it has installed all the current plugins that need to run DynoShop, and similarly, okay, it has installed and activated all the plugins successfully. Now we just need to go to our dashboard first. It will move us to our dashboard. Okay, it's moved to the WooCommerce dashboard because WooCommerce has a feature to make to show a welcome page after installing the WooCommerce plugin. So we don't need this one. We just need to skip the store details first. Thanks. Okay, so first of all we will find that there is a pre-made page has already made using WooCommerce, like the cart, checkout, my account. So we need to delete this first. We don't need this currently. We'll just move to fresh, and similarly there will be some post in here, and we also need to delete this post. Fine. Now we will find there is a menu section available in here, like in appearance and import demos. We will find the DynoShop demos we has already loaded in here. All of the demos has already loaded, so we need to choose our demo and just click on the import demo. So we have already chosen the outdoor gear demo in here, that we have planned to choose this one. So we just click on import demo here and click on the continue and import. There is a pre-made some plugins as already recommended, so we don't need to install it if we don't need it. So just skip it and just click on continue and import. So it will importing all of the demo contents, like the images, contents, templates, all of the things will import it to the our server. So we need to wait a couple of minutes, like 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so it has imported successfully. Now we need to go to first the settings, WordPress, and general. Sorry, not general, it should be reading. Okay, we need to select the static page and select our home page first. So it was a blank first of all, so it's default by WordPress. We just need to select home and click on save change, and then we just go to WooCommerce and settings. Okay, so after going that, we need to select on the product, and we need to select the shop page, because it was difficult made default made by WooCommerce. We need to select our custom shop page, and in here, so our shop page has loaded in here. We just select on this and click on save changes. Similarly, we need to load our custom cart and checkout page from here. We need to select on the advanced tab, and here is the cart page. Here is previous two cart and checkout page has loaded, but we have already deleted it, so we need to load ours one. So if we select in, if we select on search for cart, here is the cart. So previous one is number ID number 9 and the current one is 190, so we need to select this one 190. And if we select the similarly checkout 191 number, and we need to click on save changes. Done. Let's say that how our store actually look now. So if we go to the visit site, here is the previous one, it's completely blank, nothing in here. And if we now current one, and it has already loaded fully, everything has loaded successfully. Similarly, the pre-made demos, no change, exactly like the demo. If we select on the product, it will automatically show us all the product. If we go to the cart, we can also find the cart section. Let's add a product in the cart and go to the checkout. Let's select this one, click on the add to cart, and yes, it has already loaded in here. The cart product has added. If we go to the proceed to the checkout, we will also find the checkout option, and we can also place order in here. And all of the things we can control in part by part. If we want to change the home page design, we can also select on the edit or elementor, and we can easily change the home page design. Even if we want to change a single product page design, which is a major feature of the DynoShop theme, that we can easily edit the single product page, even the cart page, even the checkout page, and everything using the page builder. Like other themes has not this feature, because they need to hard code it in, so they need a developer or even a tech guy so to change the things. But in DynoShop there is nothing need to do in here. If we go to the edit with elementor, we can easily change the single product page design without any issue. Just seems just a minor knowledge need to run a page builder, that's it. So if we want to add some additional things, like we need to add a countdown, or even a social icon, that should be a better. That there is no social icon available in here. We just want a social icon in all of our products. Okay, so the social icon has loaded, and we just made it lift and updated. So if we reload this, it will automatically load the social icons in our product page, single product page, and even each of the product pages it will automatically added without any coding. We just easily configure them everything. So that's the way actually we can use DynoShop, and we can use the we can import demos and everything we can control using the DynoShop e-commerce theme. Anupam.
Thank you so much for giving this wonderful presentation, Asada Zaman. Really pleased to look all these things. We had a word, I guess, previous as well when we were about to discuss the local press. And
Yeah,
yes,
yeah.
you were able to give such good presentation at that moment itself. The same happens here as well. So congratulations for that amazing tool, I would say. Just a few things which our audience is really curious to know, Asada Zaman, I would like to ask you here as well. That which thing basically motivated you to develop DynoShop? Now coming from a different tool to now this one, and so how did the journey start basically? How do you feel this came into existence? A few words?
Yes, it's actually as we have launched local press a year in the last year, so we have got reviewed from a lot of users, and a lot of users ask us that why we actually don't support any e-commerce solution. So first of all, as we have made an internal solution for us, we think that if we release it into the market, will be it a good game changer. But we didn't make fixing it. But as a lot of users coming to our chat box, coming to our messengers, even our Facebook group, we have a Facebook group also. You maybe can share in the webinar. So
You.
in the Facebook group, they have asked that why we don't have any WooCommerce solution. So okay, then we think that there is an internal solution we have already made. So why not we have released it? And this actually the main power that we have get an idea that yes, users actually want a great e-commerce solution, a simple e-commerce solution to them. That's it's actually mid fail the dinosaur that actually we thought that we understand that yes, then now we can actually release the dinosaur, and we have made some marketing materials, we have made some user in demos, and that we have released it.
Amazing, amazing.
Yeah, that is very nice. Okay, Anupam and Azaduddin, let's just take a quick look on the sales page at DealMirror.
Sure, sure. Why not? You.
Are you able to see my screen?
Yeah.
Yes, we are able to. Yeah, go.
So this is the sales page for DynoShop, and here it is showing that it offers us with 20 plus demos, which allows to create your own web store or shop. And it is best for startups, e-businesses, freelancers, and agencies. And it is adoptable and intuitive WooCommerce theme for WordPress. And it is world's largest and flexible e-commerce theme. So guys, here it is providing you with a lot of features, and why you should go and choose for DynoShop. Here it is. Launch your next e-commerce brand, zero coding, zero tech knowledge. Without any tech knowledge, you can easily handle it. Like cleared by cleared by him also. The third point is one theme, limitless possibility also. So guys, here are the features, lot many features. Some of them are compatible with Gutenberg Builder, update notification from admin panel, clean code with high minified, truly mobile and tablet optimized designs. Wow. White label to hide default branding. So, and lot many features are here. And it is available in three plans. The first one is of $129. The second one is $79, and the third one, the basic plan, is $39. You can go for it according to the features offered. Like the first one of $129, you will get for unlimited websites. The second one for 50 websites, and the basic plan you can go for 10 websites. So it is offering at a very cheap price. So guys, go and get it.
One thing that I have missed to show you that DynoShop has a white labeling feature, similarly like LocalPress. Will I make a small presentation for it?
Yes, yes,
Okay.
of course.
Okay, so I'm going to sharing my screen again. Okay. Okay, so the screen is working now.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so if we go to our dashboard, we in especially we will find that there is a addition option has already added the DynoShop options. So there is the three settings available like general setting, limit access feature, and white labeling feature. So general setting is not very special thing that it's allow us to upload the custom favicon like this icon. It has loaded in here. We it's defaulting WordPress icon. We can easily change the icon using our custom one. So if we
Mm.
click on upload and if we select media library, or we can if we want to upload another thing, like I'm just uploading a just an image for testing, and if we click on save, if we reload this, we will find that the default WordPress icon has changed. So it's actually a default icon that's why it's not looking properly, but if we upload a good icon, it will show much better, but it has already replaced. So DynoShop this has these features already, but the main feature is white labeling it, which is especially great for agency owners, because a lot of agency owners want that they don't want to show the branding of DynoShop or even the themes they actually has chosen. Because as a freelancer, as I have been doing freelancing from last couple of years, I have also faced a similar solution that if I have a white labeling solution, so my clients won't actually show the themes that what I have used and what the plugin I have used. So here is the white labeling solution. If we enable the white labeling, we will find a theme setting in here that we can totally replace theme settings from here. So if we name the theme like uh, which one be okay, Asad's theme. Okay, theme version like just I'm using 1.0 theme author, and I am just using a theme screenshot like this image. I'm just using this image for now. And if we click on save, if we go to the appearance to WordPress themes, so we will find that the DynoShop theme has height and our theme has loaded. So our custom theme has loaded, that the white labeling feature has working properly. If we click on theme details, we will find that no DynoShop branding is here. So it could be a great solution, especially for agency owners who actually hide the branding of the DynoShop without any third-party plugin or any third-party solution in just a couple of clicks and keyboard strokes. That's it.
Really, it is great.
Great.
Indeed, yes. Agency owners must be very happy at this point of time when Asad has explained us the white labeling feature. We all know, Asad, that it's a very important feature which actually helps them to grow a lot using someone's self effort. So
Yes.
their effort and time is reduced, and the output which they get is usually enhanced a lot. So indeed, I would agree with you. Just a quick question, Asad. I just want to ask you that what are the major challenges you faced, and how did you overcome that? It's never easier and not a work, one day time that you just developed it. So how it all came?
Okay, so yeah, there is a lot of challenges actually we have faced. That the major one is to make the page builder compatibility. So if we searching for WooCommerce theme, there is a thousand of WooCommerce theme available in the web. Especially if we go to Theme Forest, we will find a lot of biggest brands like Podmart, Porto, and X Themes has WooCommerce solution. But all of the things we need to choose that how we actually made the themes is fully page builder compatible. Not a single line code they don't need to write or they don't need to customize. They can do any users can do anything using the page builder solution. So it was the main challenges, and we have worked in for this thing about almost 4+ months. And definitely it's take a lot of coding, lot of test, bugs fixing, and our whole team has done a lot of test, lot of customization, and after a successful testing and error solution, we can achieve achieve these things. So you guys see that we have actually fully compatible with all of the things using the page builder dependable. No custom code in here. That is the major challenges.
You successfully overcome that, right?
Yeah.
You were able to make a good solution out of that. Very good. Good job. You. Asad, one more question I would like to ask you here. That which is the one thing in your words, which you feel makes DynoShop different from its peers? There are always competitors and the peers in the market. So, which is the one thing you feel make it different than others?
Okay, so main thing I think that it's super easy to use than any other themes. The main points of DynoShop, then anyone has a simple WordPress knowledge, he can use DynoShop. No other themes actually, as I know that not very smooth and not very user friendly use for like the end users. DynoShop has fixes these issues, and we have trying to work these issues a lot of time to make these user friendly. So user friendliness is the main point of DynoShop, I think.
Right.
So, sir, what are the major problems DynoShop solves and serves the purpose it was intended to design?
Okay, so major problems that I have already discussed a couple of minutes ago, that the major problem solves that users can easily build the e-commerce solution in a very short time. One of our users last knocked a couple of months ago, in the 2 to 3 months ago, when we have first launched DynoShop, he asked me that he has some clients like 30 to 35 clients. I actually don't remember it exactly. So
Mhm.
he just want to show the demos their website. So
Okay.
they what he have done, he just installed DynoShop, import the selected demos, and just giving the preview to their clients. So this problem in as a freelancer or agency owner has faced regular times, that how actually we actually deliver the client the preview of the site or the final output of the site in a very short time. So client will be happy if I give him the site preview in a very short time. But if he will take the agency will take or the freelancer will take in a couple of weeks or minimum 1 weeks, then clients will be so boring that he has a very he don't have actually don't have so much knowledge about creating website. But when he delivered the site is very faster. This actually major problem we have solved, making the site create is so much faster within 30 minutes, not 30 minutes. You have seen that we have 10 minutes, we imported and made the site made a complete site without any custom solution. And even if I ask Kuhu, you are not, I think you are not so much experienced in WordPress, but if you just see the video, you can easily import and create your own site without any issue in a very short time.
Exactly, you're very correct. Even a
Hmm.
no tech person can do that. I
Yeah,
understood.
definitely.
Right. And that's a very big strength of DynoShop, guys. I would really like to add on that DynoShop is very simple to use, as Asad shared. The user friendliness is its biggest strength. It's very easy to use. You need not to invest a lot of money and time, and yes, you are gonna get very great results. So Asad, we do have a lot of business people, entrepreneurs, tech friendly people, young igniting minds, a lot one who are gonna be here. So I just wanna ask that how this tool could be helpful to them. Could you please tell us one or two use case or just anything by which you can demonstrate that yes, this tool is very useful for businesses as well.
Okay, so
So
especially if I go for entrepreneurs or even small businesses, they actually, if they, we in after COVID that we have faced that a lot of business owners are moving their business to the online. So what we have faced that immediately they didn't have any budget. That's a major problem, especially in subcontinent or even
yes, yes.
not only the subcontinent. If we go to the US countries, US or Europe solutions, we have find that lot of old business owners or entrepreneurs just faced a horrible situation that if we build a website in a very short time, even it have a budget approximate 500 to $700 budget, and it's a very a negative solution. So what if they just purchase DynoShop and they just install the site. If they purchase the personal plan, it's just $39, hopefully. So just $39, he just purchased the theme, and yes, yeah, his business is ready instantly in the online. If he purchase the agency plan in the 139 or $129 plan, so it's very limited cost, so they don't need to think about for this solution, especially for the entrepreneurs who actually want to minimize their cost in first time. So it has actually helped a lot to minimize the cost even the faster, or even he don't need to hire any kind of developers to maintain his website. So that's the way if DynoShop can help, especially the businesses and even the entrepreneurs.
Right. Totally agree with you, Asad. Right. If this answer is completely justiciable, I would say, and I would agree with you. Right. Do you know, Asad, one thing which I have noticed is that it has a lot of compatibilities as well. DynoShop has
Yeah,
compatibilities like Elementor Builder, WordPress Multisite, EDD. So
yeah.
we have some people who actually aren't well aware with this. So can you please tell us that how this could be helpful for them? They just want to know that how this will help them as a team.
First of all, if we go to Elementor users, so Elementor users can easily build their site, so you don't need to think worry about. And for the EDD, we are actually in the EDD version. So hopefully, we're just talking that in the February month, in last February, we have planning to release, but a couple of bug fixing and some features added, we couldn't release that in time. But in the March, hopefully in the end of the March, or before 25th March, we will release the version which will comes with the EDD solution. Then users could be easily build their EDD website using DynoShop. Even even we will coming the DV page builder compatibility. So most of the users has asked that he don't not he don't actually want to use the Elementor page builder, he just want to use the DV. So we have also coming with the DV page builder. So we are coming with a lot of actually compatibilities, especially for EDD, especially DV page builder, breezy page builder, even the Oxygen page builder. So we are coming with all of these compatibilities that users can expand their business, expand their website power, website features using the plugins, which will fully compatible with DynoShop.
Right, amazing. Thanks, Sadaf Zaman, and congrats for this great thing. Do you know, I have one more great relief for our audience. Asad is now giving the agency plan and he's now offering unlimited websites. Right, Asad Zaman?
Yeah.
So, this
Yes.
is one of the biggest things, and this is one of the maximum things which could be offered to the audience. Actually, this is never possible in this price, Asad, but you have made it possible, right?
Thank you. Yes.
Correct. Thank you so much. I would like to thank you all, especially from the part of and on behalf of our audience, for giving this thing. People were demanding these things since a long time, and you ultimately considered it giving to the people. So thank you so much for this from my end.
Sure.
Yes. Now, one thing I would like to ask you last thing that what's your future roadmap? Do you feel? Where do you see DynoShop in the coming days? In few years? In few months? What's in your mind?
Okay. First of all, in the next couple of months, we are planning to make the demos in 50 plus demos. It's currently is just 20 demos. So we didn't increase the demos gradually, but now our plan to increase the demos as soon as possible. So our plan is in before July, before July, we will plan to build the demos in 50 plus. So if anyone purchase the DynoShop now, he will get 50 plus demos in his next versions. And in the end of the year, we have planned and we have started working. Actually, we will build the DynoShop especially for the Shopify version. Currently, it has a WooCommerce version. It's running, and it will come to the Shopify version. So Shopify users who actually want to make their website awesome and even a no code website, he can use the DynoShop in the end of the year, hopefully.
That's very nice. So, guys, the DynoShop is the ultimate solution for all your problems. It is created with professional designers and developers to help you generate more sales. Every section, every page DynoShop is created in such a way so that it helps your clients to find their desired product easily. That we have seen. Do not let this opportunity go away from your hands. Thank you so much, everyone, for being with us. Special thanks to community members who have given their valuable time and joined us. And thank you, Asaduzaman, for giving your precious time and giving such a wonderful
Thank
presentation.
you.
Yeah,
And
most welcome.
still, if
And you guys also.
some questions are popping up in your mind, then you can write us, and we'll be happy to assist you.
Thank you, Asan. Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Really
much.
great to have a session. Thank you. Thank you,
Thank
Kuhu.
you.
Thank you. Bye bye.